The way that I'm bodying these wigs, don't play with her. Hey dolls, so I am back and this is going to be another install video. Super duper cute. I wanted to do something different and I've never did like a highlighted wig with bangs and like some curls. So yeah, let's get into it. Wig is from Arabella Hair. This is the bag, and then on the inside we got another little bag with some goodies. We got a edge brush. We got a wrap to tie down your lace or to lay your lace. We also got some lashes, look like that. We also got a wig cap, and then I also got this hair clip that actually has scissors. So I'm probably gonna give this to my best friend because she does hair. So this will be cute, like she can add it to her hair when she's going to the shop, you know, like on a day she's doing hair. So yeah, I'll say that for my best friend. So yeah, so I totally forgot to give y'all the specs of the wig. Like girl, how I show everything else and not the specs, okay? But it doesn't really have that much information on the bag. It really only says 28 inch. So yeah, it's a 28-inch wig. I'll have everything listed down below as far as the color and the link and all of that if you're interested. So yeah, this is the hair, and like I love it because I've never done a wig that was highlighted with bangs. Now I definitely want to do one that is kind of like darker than this. This one is really light and like a lot of blonde and like honey colors. So super cute. Stay tuned for the video if y'all want to see how I did this. Setting the bangs was so easy and fast, like super simple, like a lot more simple than other videos where I have showed y'all how to cut bangs and I'm like going back and redoing and adding and cutting. Real simple this time, okay? So straight to the point, and it's tapered, so super cute. Stay tuned. You can do this on, you know, any wig, so you can learn how to do bangs, and then you can see me do these really cute bombshell curls. And yeah, it's just real cute. So stay tuned for the video. Okay, dolls, so this is how the wig looks out of the box. You can see it has a nice little wave curl to it. And then this is the inside of the wig. It does have a adjustable strap. Is it adjustable or is it just elastic? I can't really tell and I can't remember right now. But yeah, it has an elastic band in the wig and there are no combs because this is, you know, a glueless wig. So really easy. You could definitely glue it down though if you prefer to do so. So I just went ahead and put the wig on, and then I'm going in and I was kind of just playing around with it, and then I went in and did a middle part, but I knew I wanted to try some bangs with this color of this wig just to try something different out. So I just started off doing a middle part, and then I'm going to part down my bangs in kind of like a triangular curved kind of shape. Like it's not a perfect triangle, but I like this kind of look because it gives you a nice fullness to your bangs and it's not just like a straight line across. So yeah, I'm just gonna part it down on this side, and then you want to try to match it up as best as possible on the other side. Obviously you can see here it's not matching, so I'm just gonna go in and continue to straighten up the part and then add any extra hair if I feel like I need more, or take away any hair if I feel like it is too full, because I didn't want my bangs like too heavy, but I did want them full enough that it looked nice but still wispy at the same time and giving a natural kind of look. So I'm just going in and just cleaning that up. And if you go in and do your middle part first, do not bring it all the way down and hot comb it, because it is going to be harder to get your bang to lay how you want it to. Like it's just going to take more work. So try to do your middle part and not really have to hot comb it yet, and then go ahead and part down your bang like you see me doing, and then go in and hot comb your middle part section. It's just going to make your life so much easier. So then I'm just going to twist up the area that I'm going to be using for my bangs, and then I'm going to clip it back so I can go in and cut off the lace, which you can definitely do this first before you go in and start to do anything. Personal preference, whatever you want to do. But yeah, I'm just going to go in and cut off all of the lace. And with this wig, I did pluck it, and I did also use makeup to conceal the knots. I did not bleach this wig, but I did pluck it because I knew I kind of wanted to do bangs on it, but I was like, let me just pluck it in case I decide that I want to do, you know, a different style with it, or even if you want to push your bangs back and do a middle part or something like that, it's already plucked, so it's really easy to switch up your styles. So yeah, after I do that, then I'm gonna go in with the hot comb and just start to push the bangs down some, so that it's not, you know, like pushing backwards or anything. And as you can see, the part is not perfect, but it is kind of like a triangular type of shape, but more curved, not like a perfect triangle. So yeah, now I just twisted the hair around, and then I'm just gonna cut straight across. And this is really easy. You just need to twist the hair and then cut straight across, really easy. And as you can see, the bangs are tapered and it's longer on each side. Like, it's gonna come out perfect. Like, you're probably gonna be scared, but it's just gonna taper off perfectly. So, and I always like to cut longer first than cutting too short, and then the bangs are way too short. And I do like my bangs a little bit longer, like where they are coming down into my eyes a little bit, but not like it's poking me in my eyeballs. Okay, so this is how it looks. This looks good, but it is still a little long in the center. So I am gonna go in and cut that just a little bit more, just really just trimming off the ends just a little bit. And I did also twist it again so that it can still give that tapered kind of look, so a little bit shorter in that center section, and then fan out on the sides. And then I go back in and just use my flat iron to curl my bangs. And you want to do a slight bump, not too curled, but I did still want it to have a nice little bump to it, not completely flat. And to shape the bangs, I always like to use some hairspray because this just holds them in place better. And then I'm just using the comb to comb them and style them into place how I want them to be. And that pretty much sums up how I do the bangs. And then I'm also going to go in later and just kind of flatten it down a little bit more because I didn't want it like too bumped up, but you'll see me do that later on. I am going to go in and hot comb the parted section with the color of the wig. You can't really see, like, you can see the scalp, but it doesn't pop out as much as like a darker toned wig. So I'm definitely going to go in and conceal the parting area so that it can look like scalp a little bit more than what it is looking at the moment. And as you can see, I'm taking the end of the hot comb, or the back of the hot comb, and just kind of pressing the bangs down so that they aren't pushed up so much. And then I'm going to take my wand set, and with these curls, I didn't use the largest one. I used the one right underneath that because I didn't want the curls too loose. I wanted them to be loose but a little bit more curled. And I didn't use any hairspray to like make the curls hold, you know, tighter or anything like that. I didn't put anything on the hair. I'm just going in and curling it because I did want it to still give that loose curl effect, but just a little bit tighter than using the largest barrel. So I'm just going in and curling the hair. I think this is, maybe it's a 1 inch or maybe a little bit bigger than that. I'm not really sure. And then once I get to the front, I am going to go in and do a little bit of face framing layers. You could definitely make the layers shorter where it tapers like right under the bangs if you want to do that. But I didn't want that much layers, just a little bit to just frame the face. And you could also wear this hair straight as well, which was, you know, also be really cute. But I did want to do some curls just for a different kind of look, because usually when I do bangs, I do typically, you know, like to style my hair straight. So yeah, I'm just putting some curls in the hair. This is how the curls look. And then I went ahead and curled the other side. And then I'm just going to use a wide tooth comb and just comb out the curls, because as you can see, I wanted that loose curl effect, and you know, brushing them out is just going to give you that really pretty soft curled kind of look. And then I'm also going to do my little push back thing and then push it back towards the front. And then I'm just going in and just perfecting everything and, you know, just polishing up the look. I really like the color of this hair. It's really pretty. It kind of has more of those honey tones with some blonde highlights. And then I'm also going to go in and conceal the parting area just to make
the scalp pop out more, because obviously with this lighter color hair it is a little bit harder to see. And then I did spray a little bit of, what is it called, heat protectant spray, but it does have oil in it, so I just sprayed a little bit of that. It gives the hair a little bit of shine. And then I also use my hot comb to melt the concealer in, and this is how the hair looks like. I think this color is so pretty. I just had to kind of get used to it because I was doing different wigs and most of them were more dark tone, and I haven't worn like a lighter toned hair like this in a while, so it was very different to see it. This is the back. The length of the hair is really nice. It falls really pretty, and of course you can style it other ways, but yeah, super cute. And you can always push the bangs back if you don't want to do a bang kind of look all the time. So that pretty much concludes the video. Stay tuned for the outro.
Okay, dolls, so this completes the look of the hair. I think it turned out super cute. The hair is light and it has highlights and stuff. Y'all know I'm used to my dark hair, so it's like I'm trying to get used to looking at myself in the viewfinder. But I think that it did turn out cute. And it's definitely giving like fall, winter, summer, any time of the year. But yeah, if y'all are interested in this hair, definitely check it out. I will have everything listed down below. And I hope y'all learned something in this video. As you can see, the hair is super nice because it is so soft. But yeah, I love you dolls and thank you for watching. Bye dolls.